Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and I'm sorry that I haven't really I guess been making as many videos as I would want to, because I have a lot of videos that I want to do right now. You know when you just, there's a lot of stuff you want to do, and then you end up getting tired of thinking about all the things you want to do and what you want to do first, and then you just end up doing none of it. I've also just been self-reflecting on everything and thinking about everything that's going on in the world and contemplating which state we move to, that might be a different video where I explain all the pros and cons of the different states that we want to move to and why we want to move out of Pennsylvania, and the pros and cons of moving out of Pennsylvania. But anyways, fun fact, you see that pile of snow right there? I believe that's from December 14th. Somehow that snow is still there. I have no idea how. It hasn't been the warmest, but I'm just surprised that that snow is still here from that storm in December. And speaking of storms, apparently there's a potential winter storm coming up in a couple days. I don't know how 1 to 3 inches of snow is a potential winter storm. To me, that's just normal precipitation. Just, wow, 1 to 3 inches of snow. They see flurries and they're like, oh my god, catastrophe, winter weather advisory, we're all gonna die. That's what it seems like. That's an extreme exaggeration, but it's just like, how is 1 to 3 inches of snow a winter storm? Future Jeff here. It was a winter storm. Guys, this is literally the bluest and most clear sky I've seen in a long time. So it's a new day, and now I think we're actually going to be getting a really big snowstorm. I was complaining about the weather app, saying that we might have a potential winter storm. Last night when I went to bed at 2 a.m., what I usually do is I open the blinds just so that I can have some light from the moon and the sky, to be in my room. The sky was so bright. Like, it literally looked like the sun was coming up. It was like it was 6 o'clock in the morning. But it was like 1:58 in the morning. And let me show you guys what they're now calling for. So apparently we're supposed to get 1 to 3 inches of snow on Sunday, and then Sunday night 3 to 5 inches of snow. And then Monday we're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of snow in the day, and then another 1 to 3 inches of snow at night. And then Tuesday, less than 1 inch of snow. So that's a lot of accumulation that they're calling for now. It's definitely not the biggest snowstorm I've had in my lifetime. I remember 2014 was a crazy winter season. Guys, look at that. Are you ready for 13 to 17 inches of snow?
Mm-mm. Oh, ow, ow, ow.
Why?
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Now, what did you say happened to your door at night?
At actually 8:48 in the morning, it just opened up.
Like slowly?
Yeah, it always does.
That's creepy.
I know it is.
Has it ever done that?
A couple times. It doesn't all the way. If I don't push it shut.
That's just creepy.
This time it took it 6 hours to do it. Because I think the last time I peed was 2:30.
No, that's just creepy. It's a ghost. I don't care what explanation it is. Oh my god, look at all these pills. What is it gonna feel like when you're 65?
More pills.
Ooh, pizza. Should I leave the oven open to release the heat in here?
Nah, well, after I'm done with it. Actually, I may have. No, I'm not gonna broil it. Next time I broil, I leave it open.
Okay.
And then the heat goes waffles out.
Oh man, it looks like it's really coming down.
It is, and it's cold as
Whoa.
crap out there.
You know tomorrow's gonna be the crazy day, right?
I saw a polar bear out there.
Oh, so you went out there?
Yeah.
Too bad there's nothing really we can do right now in the snow.
We go out and have our noses turn blue.
It's like there's not enough snow to do really anything in it right now. And there's nowhere we can sled.
All I know is I wish we had the snow pants that we had back in Ashwood.
Yeah, but now it's ashes.
Yeah, but they would have been nice and warm because it's windy and cold out. You know what this reminds me of?
I don't know.
Way back when we lived in Bridgeport. There was
Oh god, story time.
It was 17 degrees out during the snow the next morning. And that's what it feels like out there now. It feels like it's going to drop down to freezing cold.
I think it's supposed to be at night. You realize you're probably not going to work until Wednesday?
No, I'm going to call off late tomorrow.
There's no way you can go to work tomorrow.
I'm just going to be about 25 hours late, maybe 26.
Well, we're out in the snow, taking a walk. What? That's the whole point of snow. It isn't that cold out. It's like it's like the perfect temperature for the snow to not melt.
Well, it's actually pretty cold out. It's just you got a warm jacket. That's why I'm wearing 3.
You're wearing 3.
Oh, nope, that means it's cold out.
What?
Sucks. It doesn't pack. That means...
It's not packing?
Yeah, it means it's pretty cold out.
Oh, interesting.
Oh.
It's just snow. What, are you allergic to it?
Here, you go this way.
You're going up this way.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is new.
I know it is. Want to go somewhere old?
Old.
It's built in 1931.
Oh my god. You were how old? You were how old by then?
25.
Well.
Which church do you think is older? That one or that one?
That one.
Really? It's made of brick.
Something's telling me it's older.
I don't think so. It looks ugly.
Okay, fuck. Okay, fine, let's go check it out. Uh-oh, the wind is starting to make my face freeze.
This one was founded 30 years earlier, but as I say, this was built.
Huh.
Oh, Sacred Heart. That means, yeah, the chapel was older.
So, is this building actually older?
I don't think so.
So when was it built?
It doesn't say. It just says when the church itself was founded.
Oh,
there you go.
1923. 1923, maybe?
Yeah, possibly.
I was right. Something was telling me that this was older somehow.
I should know that because I'm Slovak.
Am I more Slovak than you? This looks so weird. There's barely anyone on the road right now. What about it? Oh, does that mean like the weather is affecting it?
That means the weather is detectable. Emergency circumstances.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. I like it when things are interesting. My hair is in my mouth. Oh man. It's crazy that we actually live here.
Yeah.
Like we never live in a city like this, or a town.
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna be living here long if we buy a house. And just like that, we're already back. What are you doing?
Look at the footprints behind me. Look at the footprints behind me. They look like a goofy ball.
I just made the living room wet with my hair. No, it stopped snowing for now. Guys, look at all the snow we got. Anyways, we're gonna go to bed. I'll pick up the vlog tomorrow. When we wake up, tomorrow is the big day because we get like 10 inches of snow tomorrow. And it's supposed to be snowing until 6 p.m. Tuesday, which is crazy. So yeah, let's see how much snow we get overnight. Oh, so this is what it looks like the next day.
I can't, it feels like rain.
Rain? It's 29 degrees. How does it rain?
It can.
That's not fair.
Alright, let's go.
Well, I don't see any grass this time.
No.
I think we got a lot more snow than last time. Guys, it's currently 2 o'clock and it's pretty much just been raining the entire day. I don't know why. It's not even like 32 or above. It's just raining right now, or freezing rain. They're still calling for an additional 5 to 11 inches of snow. It did say 9 to 15 inches. It's not even snowing. Like, it's like, look, it's 28 degrees and it says it's snowing. They're right about the degrees, but it's not snowing. We also don't know what to do in the snow because when we lived in Ashwood, there was all these hills. There was all these places we could go to do stuff in the snow, sled. But we don't live there anymore. It burned down, and this area is like pretty flat, and we don't have our own property, so there's not really much we can do in the snow. And what's crazy is this is like this is possibly the last winter we're gonna have, because if we move to a state like, I don't know, Mississippi, we're pretty much never gonna see snow again. and we're big fans of snow. Finally, it's snowing. Look at that. Yay. Oh wow, it's really coming down now.
Oh, freaking time.
I know. It was raining all day long.
No, it wasn't raining.
Well, it was not snow.
No.
So, we're outside again. I'm now using the GoPro. Oh wow, the snow is so much more deeper. This is I think, isn't this the most snow we've gotten in like years?
Yeah, sadly.
I know. Usually we get a lot of snow. I could literally just stand in the middle of the road.
I know.
Let's go this way. Oh, there's one truck driving over there. We're just walking down the street.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that pile of snow right there.
Yeah, you just plowed that.
Wanna jump in?
No.
This is what February starts off with. We're kind of just exploring the area we live in during the snow.
Yeah. Well, actually, just pretty good.
Actually, we probably could sled down this road. Right here.
Possibly.
I want to go back in, get the sled, come back out.
No.
Finally, it looks like winter. Oh, look. How can they fly? What kind of arrow is that? God, this is so much snow. Ah, I got snow in my boot. Oh my god, what a big... Aw, I broke it. There we go.
That could be ice. That could be skull.
I'm not gonna throw it. I want to throw this up into the air. Wow. Oh, snow in my eyes. Ah. Oh, I can't see the wind. I know, I can't either. Nothing you can't do, can you?
Nope.
Hey, look, I'll help him out a little bit.
Ouch. Oh, I gotta go.
No!
I want snow in me. Ow, I hit my shoulder. Ugh.
You can't see now?
Yeah.
Oh, now my feet are frozen because there's snow in my boots now. Oh man, the transition to coming inside and taking everything off. Oh, I can't see again. Alright, now what happens if I do this?
Don't.
Oh, I have some hot cocoa here. So, do you think you're going to work tomorrow?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh yeah, what does the road look like? The whole road is white right now. And it looks like the other one is too.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like at 4 a.m.
It's so bright out.
It's true.
Why is that so loud?
If someone killed.
Can you not hear?
Mm-mm. It's
so like bright and foggy out there. Oh my god, yeah, look at my camera. That's a lot of snow.
Yeah.
It's still gonna be snowing until tomorrow at 7 p.m. Guys, it's the next day and it's still somewhat snowing. You can see some snowflakes moving. Oh my god. The camera does not do justice of how bright it is. It's blinding. I can't even see. So, it's 3:30 in the afternoon of the next day. We can't really think of what to do in the snow because, like I said before, when we lived in Ashwood, we had a lot of places to sled. We just had more area to do stuff in. Looks like they cleared the roads and pathways and all that. Look, that's our sidewalk. So my dad is definitely going to work tomorrow. Well, we're outside again in the snow. Oh, now you're cold?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy it?
Oh, it's better than sweating.
Oh my god, look at the stairs right there. Actually, you're right, there is no stairs right there. Now.
There's no sledding right down there.
That's not a hill. There is no hill. I already have snow in my boots somehow.
How?
I don't know how.
Look, my car. You see my car.
Wow.
Look at the wall of snow.
My God, maybe you could have gone to work today. You know what's weird? It feels like this isn't our parking lot, even though we live here.
Yeah.
It's just so weird.
That's what 6 months after the fire. Hey, look, it's perfect square.
Oh my God, look at this, look at this giant mountain of snow.
I know, one more step and you're on the roof.
Yeah, too bad we don't own it, because then it would be legal.
Yeah.
Does that hurt?
Yeah.
It didn't even hit me.
Yeah, now. We gotta watch out.
It went over me.
Plowed this.
Oh. You do that?
No. You're as tall as the building.
It's a lot more packed than yesterday.
Yeah, it's because we got heavier snow last night.
Does that hurt your shoulder?
Yeah.
Just make sure to not drop the camera. Oh my God, I almost hit the dumpster. I'm gonna try to kick it. Whoa! Oh, get my balance.
Yeah, except we're putting the snow back on the parking lot that is cleared.
I'm touching the roof of this garage. I wouldn't be able to do that in the summer. Oh, you climb up here.
I dropped the camera.
Well, maybe,
Oh, somebody else was up here.
What?
Somebody else was up here.
Yeah, us. Yesterday.
No, because this is all new up here.
Here.
No. We'll lose the camera.
Well, I guess I can hold the camera right here. It's not even that cold out.
Actually, it is just that. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I'm almost up top.
What are you doing that? What are you trying to do there?
Nothing.
Yeah, I can tell.
All I can say is jingle bells.
Nah.
How about this?
This looks so weird. Well, you know what I'm gonna have to do now, right?
Oh, where are you? On my back.
That hurts your back? Oh God, that was hard. Whoa, it looks blue right here.
Oh, Smurfy.
What? No, no, no. Like the lighting.
Yeah, it does. I saw that when I was shoveling. It's got a blue indentation. Man.
Does that hurt?
Yeah, everything hurts. Cause I'm old. No footprint.
Oh no, I dropped my glove.
Oh God, look at your poor hair.
What about it? I have dandruff. Are you actually gonna?
1, 2. Oh, that'd be too much snow. I get in trouble. Let's do that one.
I closed my eyes for that one. Oh God, there's snow in this glove.
Hello? I see the top of you.
This is like my fort here.
There's like a little snow fort. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, I'm covering the microphone anyways.
Oh, so they probably didn't even hear that.
No.
Darn it. Whoa. If this was more powdery, I'd just throw it at you, but you have the camera.
Oh. Ah.
What happened? What happened?
I fall down, go boom. Yeah, the snow gave away.
Yeah, I protected it. No.
No, I switched hands. Alright, I gotta go eat.
Why?
Because my elbow's killing me.
Oh, yeah.
Here, take camera. Take camera.
Is anything sore from falling down?
Yeah, the elbow, I just hold the peak from it. Feels like bone.
Well, tomorrow you can drive.
Oh shit.
What?
Come on, get out of here.
How are you gonna get out of here tomorrow?
How am I gonna get out of here?
Well, I don't know.
I'm gonna do like 100 miles an hour and plow through ice.
Yeah, how are you actually gonna get through all that?
Oh,
Aren't you excited for work tomorrow?
I have to get my phone and take a picture.
And say what? You're not gonna work again?
Yeah.
Wait, really? You're not gonna go to work tomorrow too?
I just might not be on time because of the wall of snow.
What are you doing now? I punched it. I'm a lot more warmer than yesterday.
So the wind is blowing.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, I have hair in my mouth.
Ow.
It's just snow.
Oh.
I'm starting to not feel my hands. Because I don't have the glove on to hold the camera.
I'm starting to feel my elbow very badly.
What, did your elbow hit the ground?
Yeah, it hit the concrete.
Oh, jeez. How long does it take to get the keys? Wait, you finally get it now?
Yeah.
Let me throw my glove at you.
No.
Look, there's a piece of confetti from New Year's.
There's 2 more down there. Ow! My elbow!
Is your elbow really that sore?
Oh, yeah, it's sore.
Did you sprain it? Or injure it?
I landed on it, so spraining it is not it. Who knows what it is?
What, did you break it actually?
No, I can move it. It's not broken. It can be chipped, though.
Chipped?
Yeah.
What would that mean?
It means the bone chipped off didn't break.
Oh, wouldn't that be worse?
No.
No.
No, I've worked with chip bones. Ooh. Let's see how purple it is. Actually, it probably won't be purple for another hour.
Chipped? Yeah. What happens to the bone that's chipped? Does it just
It
heal?
can turn into a splinter or be pushed back up against and grow back into it.
Wouldn't that mean you would need surgery or something?
No. They don't do surgery on stuff like that.
Are you excited for work tomorrow?
No.
Is your elbow fine?
Actually, yeah, not even a boo-boo.
Darn, now I can't say you got injured in this video.
I'm getting younger.
Guys, it is the next day. My dad is at work. And it's literally still snowing. How does this... Wow. It's still snowing. How does this happen? This is the... I mean, it hasn't been snowing continuously for the past 3 days. But it's still cold that it's still continuing into today, which is Wednesday. And apparently there's an ambulance right across the street. And there's the snow plow and everything. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. They're saying snow accumulation less than 1 inch today. This storm was supposed to end yesterday at 6 p.m. and it still somehow continued into today. This is literally the most snow we've gotten in years. And they're still calling for some snow in 2 days. The day before my birthday, the 2 days after my birthday. This winter is crazy. Maybe it's a sign we're gonna end up moving to a state that doesn't have snow. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this long vlog about this storm. I have absolutely no idea what the title of this video, so I'm sorry if it's a little clickbaity. But yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're brand new, because I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before my 10-year anniversary on YouTube, which is February 21st of this month. Man, that's a long sentence. Please share this video if you can. It really helps out the channel. And yeah, there should be another video coming out soon. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the storm, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.